Am I the jerk for letting my roommate humiliate herself in front of our entire college lecture hall? I am a university student, and my roommate, Chloe, happens to be in the same advanced molecular biology seminar as me. Chloe is the type of person who expects to glide through life on other people's hard work. All semester, she has been copying my lab notes, taking my textbooks without asking, and begging me to do her assignments. Our final grade was based on a massive 20-minute individual presentation on DNA technology. I spent weeks researching and creating a flawless slide deck. Chloe, on the other hand, spent the entire week hanging out with friends and didn't even start her research. The night before the final, I caught her snooping around my desk when she thought I was in the shower. I immediately knew she was planning to copy my presentation file onto her flash drive and present it before I had the chance to. So I decided to set a trap. I created a dummy presentation and saved it to my laptop's desktop in a folder labeled Final Exam Presentation. And the first slide looked incredibly professional and normal, but the rest of the slides were filled with absolute nonsense. I'm talking about slides claiming that humans share 90% of their DNA with a 2004 Honda Civic and complex diagrams showing the molecular structure of a chicken nugget. I safely hid my real presentation on my cloud drive, left the dummy file open, and went to bed. The next morning, Chloe had a very smug look on her face. During the seminar, she actually volunteered to go first. She confidently walked up, plugged in her flash drive, and started reading the title slide. But when she clicked to the second slide, a massive, highly detailed schematic of a Honda Civic engine popped up on the giant projector. The entire lecture hall burst into laughter, and our professor looked completely baffled. Not because she hadn't even bothered to check the file before presenting, she just stood there, frozen in panic. The professor told her to sit down and gave her an automatic 0 for academic dishonesty. When we got back to our apartment, she completely lost her mind. She started screaming at me, calling me a saboteur, and saying I ruined her academic career by setting a trap. She is demanding I email the professor and take the blame, saying I accidentally swapped our files. A few of her friends are saying I took it way too far and jeopardized her scholarship. So, am I the jerk here?